guys, and welcome to NEGardener. And today we're going to be going over why gardening is the best exercise. I'm giving you a few different exercises and how you can get the best exercise out of gardening.
First, let me explain why gardening is the best exercise.
Wow, gardening is hard work. Did you know that it uses more calories than a lot of other exercises? It uses 400 to 600 calories an hour. That's a lot. Really, if you garden a lot, you really don't even need to go to a gym or do anything like that, because you're actually doing something productive when you're gardening. Unlike when going to the gym that's lifting weights, it can be pretty boring and it really isn't like that much benefit besides just giving you exercise, you know. In gardening, you burn a lot of calories while getting your own healthy food, so that is definitely a benefit to gardening.
The Garden Burpee. The Garden Squat.
So here's your garden squat. So what you do is you squat down like this, dig your hole, put your seed in, cover it up, and there you go.
The Garden Tool Stretch.
You can get some good stretches here with your hoe, especially this one here, twisting your arms like that. Thank you for watching my video. I will answer any questions you have in the comment section below.
Get out there and start planning and get some exercise at the same time.